as the music played, and flapped his wings to join the sway. He tapped his feet and bobbed his head, then twirled around with color spread. He clapped his claws and shook his tail, and followed rhythm without fail. The jungle danced from tree to tree, with parrots move so wild and free. He danced all day, a joyful chance, the parrot's bright and happy dance, a feathered friend who loves to prance.